Hi there! Today I'm unboxing and demonstrating how to use the Hypochlorous Acid Generator from EcoOne. Hypochlorous acid, or HOCl, is a gentle yet effective disinfectant that your body naturally produces to fight infections. HOCl is non-toxic and gentle on the skin, but it's also powerful enough to use on surfaces. The product came securely packaged within 2 boxes, packed in another Amazon box. I bought the version with pH and chlorine test strips. Parts also included the pitcher with the generator, a gram measuring spoon, instructions, electrical cords, and potassium carbonate. In addition to making HOCl, the device also makes potassium hydroxide for cleaning and degreasing. To assemble, all you need to do is connect the electrical cords. The instructions tell you how to make 40, 60, 100, and 200 part per million solutions. The commercial product I use has a concentration of 0.018% HOCl, which is 180 parts per million. I figured out that I would need 0.6 liters of water or 600 milliliters. I read that the shelf life could be extended by using pure ingredients, so I use steam distilled water and salt without additives. Plugging in the device powers it on to setting 1. Just hit the power button to change the setting. I'm using setting 3. To measure the concentration of HOCl, we're going to use chlorine test paper. I'm going to get the pH and chlorine test strips ready to use. To use the test strips, all you have to do is quickly dip the strip into the solution and compare to the color charts. When the process is done, the device will turn off. It took 8 minutes on setting 3. Remember that I did not add the optional vinegar, and the pH turns out to be 7, which is neutral, so I should be able to use this on natural stone. Looks like 200 parts per million of free chlorine. Remember, this is not a precise reading, and based on the smell, I wonder if it's even stronger, if that's possible. After 1 week, it looks like there's between 100 and 200 parts per million of free chlorine, and after 2 weeks, between 50 and 100 parts per million of chlorine. Overall, I think this is a good investment. The product I use is $18 to $20 for 8 ounces, and we must buy at least 3 times a year. With my own generator, I'll make use of hypochlorous acid for more purposes, like household cleaning. I encourage you to research hypochlorous acid and its many uses. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Bye.